Well, hello there. It's me, Miss T. I'm going to talk to you guys a quick minute about the next 2 weeks of clay projects and distance learning. Woohoo! Here we go, team. Let's do this. We're going to talk a little bit about the projects, some health and safety, and some tools. So you need to watch this because it's important. So you're going to get 2 pounds of clay in a Ziploc bag. You better keep that Ziploc bag. It's very important because you're going to need it to store your work in. It's the perfect little environment to keep things moist and wet and keep your clay from drying out. So our 2 projects we're going to work on the next 2 weeks are a little figurine project. We're going to create a little figure and photograph it. And it's going to represent an emotion or a feeling. It'll be really fun. And a pinched cup project like this one. So you're going to want to use a little bit of clay for your little figurine and then save the majority of it for your cup because you want your cup to be your superstar. This is your big kahuna. And you're going to need your plastic bag fully zipped to keep your stuff from drying out. Okay, let's talk health and safety with clay. Clay is a natural material. It comes from the earth. It's technically dirt. However, a large percentage of clay is made of silica, and silica in its dust form is very dangerous to breathe. Work with your clay outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. You don't want to do this in your kitchen or in your bedroom where that silica dust can get into your bed where you're breathing it or get into your food or go down the sink and stuff. So in the shade is ideal because if you're working in direct sunlight, your clay could start to dry out. Some things that are helpful would be a little bucket and sponge for wiping up little messes. It might be nice to wash your hands in later. However, if you lay down a beach towel, you can get as messy as you want, and then all you have to do is fold up your beach towel. It's your little mobile studio. What you're gonna need is, for starters, some plastic cutlery. You're gonna need 2 forks, plastic knife, and a plastic spoon. Take one of your forks and you're gonna break off all the little teeth so you just have one like this. You need a pencil with a pointy end and an eraser end. You're gonna need a paper clip. A larger one is better. That you can unfold. So it's going to have a pointy end and it's going to have a looped end on the paper clip. My favorite new tool is an old toothbrush. It's time to upgrade that old one and use your old toothbrush for something very useful with clay. You can use this for smoothing. You can use this for attaching things. This is like my favorite new tool. Okay, what happens when you start to collect lots and lots of little crumbs as you're working like this? These can go in the trash. They're not toxic, so they can just go straight into the garbage and not into the sink. If they go down your sink, they turn into sludge down in your garbage disposal, and that's not a good thing. Mom's not gonna like that. So that's why we're gonna keep working outside and keep our crumbs in the trash. And I can't wait to see all the awesome work you guys make in the next 2 weeks. We'll talk more. Have a good day.